So, as like most women in this world, I like to take my makeup everywhere with me. So this video is what's inside my makeup bag, well, my everyday makeup bag. So before we do get started, please remember to like, comment and subscribe and carry on watching. So this is what the makeup bag looks like. It's just orange. I got it from Daraz. And it's very nice to keep all my cosmetics inside, and I'm just going to open it up and show you what it looks like from inside. It's very flimsy though, that's the only thing, but yeah, so there's a pockets inside, and then there's little brush holder pockets as well, and then there is a big compartment for larger items or for random makeup items on the bottom as well, as you can see. So let's get started. The first thing inside my makeup bag, I'm going to start off by showing you what's inside the top pockets on the top compartment. So the first thing inside these two pockets is my highlighting powder. Now this is a really nice highlighting powder. It's shimmery, like champagne gold color. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice for Asian tones, like my skin color. So I really like this. The next thing is my eyebrow powder, and as you can see, it is very, very black. But the thing about this is when you swatch it, or when you put it on your eyebrows, it's not as black as it is shown in the pot. So I really like this, and it's a really nice shade for my hair color. I like to use this for my eyebrows. Then I have my bronzing powder. Now this was very hard to swatch. It wasn't really showing up because I'm not wearing any foundation or anything on my hand. So yeah, as you can see, I was trying really hard to get it to swatch, but it wasn't showing up. But it shows up really beautiful, you know, when you have all your other makeup on, foundation and everything. So yeah, but I really like this bronzing powder. The next thing in that, last thing in this compartment is my tweezers. Just some basic tweezers to, you know, put eyelashes on or remove some eyebrow hairs. Now let's show you my makeup brushes. The first brush is this gigantic fan brush, which I like to use for contouring, or you can use it for bronzing, whatever suits you. It came in a set of 32 brushes, 32 piece brush set, with also a bag to put all the brushes inside it as well. But I like this brush for contouring. The next one is my foundation brush, which has seen better days, but I like to use it for foundation obviously because it's a nice buffing brush, and it also came in a set of 10 brushes from eBay. I think it's called the Kabuki brush set. You can find these all over eBay and Amazon. The next brush is a fake Real Techniques brush. I like to use it as a powder brush. It's obviously fake. And this is another fake Real Techniques brush, which I like to use for bronzing. So yeah, I like this brush. It's really fluffy and it's really soft. Both of these brushes are really soft. Here is a fan brush, which I use for highlighting. It really gives a nice glow with this brush. Then I have my eyebrow brush, which I use to fill in my eyebrows with, And then I also have the concealer brush, which I use to conceal around my eyebrows to tidy things up. And this also came in a set. That black eyebrow brush came with the massive fan brush and the little fan brush as well. I got one pink set of those and one black set, so yeah. So as the first thing fell out of the first compartment, this is the Revolution eyeshadow palette, and these are very beautiful shades. As you can see in the swatches, I just swatched a couple of shades for you. I swatched shade number 1, which is a nice shimmery shade. I also swatched a matte shade as well, but that didn't really show up properly on the hand, but on the eyes it shows up really nicely. So here we have the face mist, setting spray, setting spray. And it's a very fine mist and it smells very nice, and you know, this really does keep my makeup on for a long time and it's really good. This is my favorite foundation. It is the Emily Paris Double Wear foundation in the shade 01. It's a really nice yellow undertone shade for me. I really like this foundation. It's waterproof and long lasting. It's absolutely amazing. You can buy it from Daraz and it's really affordable as well. So yeah, I got that foundation. Then I got this Ravage UK contour kit, but I like to use that really nice bronzery shade for blusher actually. I don't really use it for bronzer, I use it for blusher. This is a really nice shade. As you can see, I swatched it in the corner right there. It's really nice for blusher, or you can use it for bronzing as well, but it's a bit too orange for bronzing for me, so I like to use it as a blusher. And then I got this mascara. It's the Essence Lash Princess, the purple one, which is really nice. This is what the brush looks like. It's really nice and black. I really like this mascara. It's really volumizing. I have eyelash adhesive, the dark coloured one, so it comes out black. And it's really fast drying. Really like this eyelash adhesive. Then I got this really nice eyeliner, which I got from Daraz, and it's black colour. It's really long lasting, and it's actually waterproof as well. So yeah, I really like this. Then I have two eyebrow pencils. They are double-ended eyebrow pencils, one black side and one brown side, but you can use them as lip liners or as eyeliner pencils or whatever you want. I use them as eyebrow pencils sometimes when I'm not using the powder. This is my beauty blender, not the Real Techniques one, it's just a random orange beauty blender. This is a lip pencil in a really nice pinky nudie colour. I really like this. It's perfect for everyday nude colour. And this lipstick is a really nice smelling, really reddy orangey colour. It's really nice. It smells awesome. And then this is the L'Oreal Blake Lively, I think it is. L'Oreal lipstick. It's a really nice proper red, blue tone red, I think it's called. It's a really nice red for my skin tone. It suits me. And then I have this Medora lipstick in the shade Terracotta. It's really nice. I can't express how much I love these lipsticks. They're all amazing. And this is my favorite contour palette. As you can see, I have hit pan on my contour shade, and the rest of the shades I don't really use that much, except from that bottom yellow banana-y shade, which I use for under eye setting. So yeah, this is my absolute favourite contour powder. I just swatched the two highlighters in this palette, which are really chalky, so I wouldn't really use them as highlighters, I would rather use them as eyeshadows. But yeah, it's my favourite contour powder. So yeah, that is everything inside my bag. As you can see, it's really disgusting. I need to wash it or clean it. And yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!